If you're like me and you enjoy growing new things in your garden, then today you are in for a real treat. So I've already tried growing onions from seed and I'm really struggling. So today I'm going to be planting shallots. I got this pack from our local Bunnings and I was strangely looking for onion starts, but they didn't have any, so I figured why not give these a try. So one of the main differences between an onion and a shallot is that the shallot grows a lot like garlic into bulbs. They enjoy a sunny location with well-draining soil. So I've chosen my tomato bed for two reasons. One, we're starting to run out of bed space. And the second reason is that they make excellent companions for tomato plants. Their strong aroma repels garden pests. My bed has already been prepared with my super mix, and I'll put the link in the description below to that video so you can check it out. Right, let's get to planting. Now, if your shallots have not already been separated into individual bulbs, you need to make sure you carefully break them apart. As I bought a pack, it came with 5 bulbs already. Well, that's a little bit frustrating. This one is completely soft and I think no good. Look, I'm going to plant it anyway. You just never know. Make sure that you space your bulbs at least 15 centimeters apart and 5 centimeters deep. Just like garlic, you want to plant them with the pointy side up. Cover it with soil and gently press down to remove any air pockets. Water thoroughly and mulch to prevent moisture loss and soil erosion. And there you have it, my shallots have been planted. Now each shallot bulb that I've planted should produce a good 8 to 12 bulbs each. That is some serious good bang for buck. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video and learned something new. Please give it a thumbs up, share it around and subscribe.